Here we go, running out of the living room, run into this room. We had a wall, which is all good. Put our spacers and go for it. But however, right here, we don't have no wall. See there? So pop your line, get your line down there. Get your boards nice and straight on your line. See here? Get your boards on your line. Place you some small boards with the proper tongue or groove, whichever. In this case, it's the tongue. Usually it's going to be the tongue because you nail into the tongue. Anyway, get your boards laid out every, 1.5 foot, something like that, so it's nice and solid. Get your boards there. Shoot your finish nails into this. Now you can lay your boards down here. Take your nailer, nail onto this, and just leave those there until you get a whole bunch done. By that time, your glue's going to be set up and your nails are good. Then you can pull these stop boards up, dummy boards, whatever you want to call them. Finish filling in the back area after all this is nice and solid. Cutting up and using stay blocks instead of face nailing into your hardwood floor.